Hi guys, welcome back to the university. In this video, I'm teaching how to install the composer. Alright, so here's the thing: you can go to https://getcomposer.com, okay, or .org rather, and click on yeah, to install it. All right. So, but before anything else, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updated whenever I post new videos like this. We are making physics videos in physics lectures, science lectures in two versions. One is the English version, so you can check it all right here. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to the um, website wherein we can download the composer. So there we go. So right here is states that composer is a dependency manager for PHP. So I assume that you all have your PHP, okay, installed. All right. So download your exam, and then PHP and other things that you need for your computer programming will be there. All right, so getting started. So we will see the documentation here, and we go to the downloads. Okay, so here is how we can actually install the so the composer in two versions. So one is to download this one. All right, so let's click this. So it says here, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, so there is this type of file can harm your computer. So do you want to keep this composer setup way? So we can keep it, right? So we can go to so that's the first thing. We'll download. All right. So I know I know that you can see it. So let's just click install. All right. So open it. Yes. So there you go. It prompts something and you cannot see it because it's an application and OBS is not readily reacting to the changes in the screen. So it's not, yeah, you will see that there's no screen recording rather. So I'm just going to read, select install mode, install for all users. So I'm going to, install only for me. All right. Just by clicking that, it will be installed in my XAMPP PHP /php.exe. Alright, so that will be the directory. And then when you click next, guys, okay, ready to install. So my PHP version is 7.4. Okay, so you will not see it there, but I don't know if I can. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, so this one, this is the composer setup. I'm sorry. Okay, so you can go back and check. Go back. So once you click install, here you go. Right. So setup will install composer configuration for the current user. Okay. So hindi ko kasi in-install siya para sa lahat ng password protect ko computer. The main user will be me and other users will not be able to use the composer if they wish. Okay, so that's another layer of security. So yes, you can do that. So this includes a control panel, an installer, and blah blah blah. So yeah, click next, and there we go. You will see that the directory is on C. Alright, exam php /php.exe. Alright, so you can change it, but since this is the what do you call that, default, so you can go next, and there we go. So use proxy URL. So this one I didn't know what is this, so let's just leave it for blank. And this is my PHP version, so I'm currently running at 7.4.27. So yeah, and there is a path there, so we'll automatically add the path. Okay, click next, install. So we are installing the composer script. Please wait while setup installs composer. Oh yeah, wonderful. Alright, so important for these guys. So this will be useful to you if you're going to change something. Or yeah, change something or to check whether you have installed the composer. So you must open a new command prompt window. So let's just do that. Alright. Alright, so we'll follow this setup. So yeah, and okay, let me open my command prompt. And I'm gonna show that to you. So it's black. You cannot see anything in the command prompt. So we can try to check if composer is loaded by typing composer. Alright. So yeah. There we go. Me, I can see it. I do not know if you can see it too. So yeah. So once again, I'm gonna show it to you. So yeah, so you just have to type it like this. Composer. There we go. So what are these things? Alright, so these are the available commands: about, archive, browse, check, config, and then create project. So this codes or commands will be helpful to you if you're going to use the composer. Alright, so now I can use JSON file without any problem. Alright, so so that's it. You can wherever the file is, if it is classified in the directory, alright, so you will be able to load the file without any problem. Alright, so that's how we use the composer, guys. So I hope you were able to understand how yeah, things work for the composer. Right, guys, bye bye and see you next time. So I hope you were able to learn something.